In this video, we're going to learn how to append text to a file in C++. So if we have a file called file.txt and the contents of the file look like this, what we want to do is append new text to the existing content. So the new text should come after the existing content. Typically in C++, we'll use an OFStream object to write text to a file. So the first thing we'll do is include the fstream library, which allows us to use OFStream objects. Then down here, we'll declare an OFStream object called outFile. We then open the file using the open member function. So here we'll have outFile.open, and we'll pass the function a string containing file.txt to open the file with that name. Now it's possible the file could fail to open, and the fail member function is going to return true if that happens. So here we'll have if outFile.fail returns true. And if the file fails to open, we'll exit the program with an error message and status. So we'll have cout and then error opening file followed by an endline, and we'll have here return 1. Returning 1 instead of returning 0 is a signal to the shell or the terminal here that something has gone wrong in the execution of our program. Next, we'll use the outFile object and the stream insertion operator to write the text new content to the file, followed by an endline. Then, when we're done working with the file, we'll use the close member function to close the file. If we test this out, what's going to happen is the contents here are going to be erased and replaced with new content. We'll try this. We'll save our program. Then over here, we'll compile this program, and then we'll run it. And if we check the file contents after, we're going to see the content has been replaced, and we now have new content. And that's just the default behavior when opening a file with an OFStream object. What we can do though is supply a second argument to the open member function. So here we can have iOS : app. And app is what's called a flag. Flags specify the opening mode of the file. When we supply it as a second argument to the function here, it's going to open the file in append mode. So when we write text to the file, that text is going to be appended to the existing content of the file. What we'll do is save our program now and recompile it. Then, if we run the program and check the contents of the file, we'll find that we get new content and new content. If we run the program again and then check the file, now we have new content, and new content. So because we open the file in append mode, when we write new content to the file, it's appended to the end of the file. Now here we have iOS : app. If we didn't have using namespace std here, we would want to have std : iOS : app. So this is how we can append text to a file using C++.
Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.